For creators, an SD card is more than just storage. It's where your art lives. Every photo, every video, every moment you've chased. Golden hour on a mountain ridge, a client's wedding, a once-in-a-lifetime travel shot you'll never be able to set up again. It's all sitting on that one tiny card. But what happens when it's gone? One accidental format, one corrupted file, one wrong click in the field, and your raw files vanish. Your footage disappears, your entire project collapses. And those moments, they don't come back. No reshoot, no backup, no second chance, unless there's a way to get it back. Today I'm testing Wondershare Recoverit to see if it can actually recover lost photos, corrupted raw files, and an entire SD card's contents after a full format. Not a staged demo. I formatted a real card with real footage on it, and we're going to find out together whether SD card recovery actually works when it matters. Here's the situation I've set up. I've got a 128GB SD card that had a full shoot on it, raw photos, 4K video clips, the kind of files a professional actually cares about. I formatted it completely. As far as the card is concerned, everything is gone. This is the exact nightmare that happens when you grab the wrong card in the field, or your camera throws a format prompt and you tap yes on autopilot. Download Recoverit from recoverit.wondershare.com. Links in the description. It runs on both Windows and Mac. Install it, connect your SD card to your computer with a card reader, and open the software. The interface is clean, no clutter, no 50 buttons. On the left, you'll see your recovery options, hard drives and locations, SD card, and specialized modes underneath. I'll click SD card because that's exactly what we're recovering. Recoverit detects the card immediately. There it is, my SD card reader listed with the card's capacity. I'll click scan, and this is where the deep scan begins. Normally, once a card is formatted, recovery is complicated or flat out impossible with standard tools. Recoverit approaches it differently. It doesn't just look at the file directory, which formatting wipes. It scans the raw sectors of the card for the actual data signatures that are still physically there. Watch the scan run. Files are already appearing in real time as it works. I can see photos and video clips populating the results while the deep scan is still going. It's finding data the operating system swore was gone. The counter climbs dozens of files, then more, all recovered from a card that showed up completely empty 2 minutes ago. Here's what genuinely separates Recoverit from basic recovery tools. As it scans, it's using AI smart file identification. It intelligently scans, recognizes, and automatically categorizes the lost files by their actual content, not just by file extension. On the left panel, the recovered files are already sorting themselves: photo, video, audio, document. I didn't organize any of this. The software understood what each file actually is and grouped it. For a creator with thousands of files on a card, this matters. You're not scrolling through an undifferentiated dump of recovered data trying to find your hero shots. You go straight to the video category or straight to photo, and there's your work, organized and ready. Now the part professional shooters care about most: raw file recovery. Raw files are where recovery tools usually fall apart because they're large, complex, and camera-specific. Recoverit is built with camera-specific format recognition. It reads raw formats from GoPro, DJI Osmo, Canon EOS, Nikon Z, and Sony Alpha, plus standard formats like JPEG, MP4, MOV, DNG, and CRW. I'll filter to my raw photos. There they are, the DNG and CRW files from the shoot, recovered intact. And this is important. These aren't thumbnails or degraded copies. These are the full raw files with all their data, which means every bit of the dynamic range and color information you need for professional editing is still there. Formatting didn't destroy them, it just hid them, and Recoverit found them. Before I recover anything, I want to be sure the files are actually good, not corrupted, not half there. Recoverit has real-time preview built in. I'll click on one of the recovered video clips and it plays right inside the software before I've recovered it. Click a raw photo, full preview, sharp, complete. The golden hour mountain shot I was worried I'd lost forever, previewing perfectly. This preview step is the difference between hoping and knowing. You're not recovering a giant batch of files blind and praying they open. You verify each one is intact first, then recover exactly what you need. Now the payoff. I'll select the files I want, the raw photos, the video clips, the full shoot, and click Recover. Recoverit asks where to save them. And here's a pro tip. Always recover to a different drive than the one you're recovering from. Never back onto the same SD card. I'll point it at my desktop. Click, and the file's right across. And that's it. The recovery is complete. Let me open the folder. There's the entire shoot. Every raw photo, every video clip, restored and fully usable. A card that was completely formatted, showing 0 files, is now sitting in front of me with the whole project recovered. For a beginner, this one-click recovery flow means you don't need to be technical at all. Connect, scan, preview, recover, done. One more thing worth showing. If a standard scan doesn't find everything, say the card was badly corrupted or reformatted multiple times, Recoverit has an advanced recovery mode with an enhanced deep scan. It digs through the card sector by sector to find fragments a normal scan might miss, then reconstructs them. There's also AI-powered photo repair for images that come back damaged. It can rebuild corrupted photos back to a usable state. So whether it's accidental deletion, a formatted card, corruption, or damaged raw files, there's a path back. So here's where we landed. I took a real SD card, formatted it completely, and got the entire thing back. Raw photos, 4K video, all of it, using Wondershare Recoverit. No backup, no reshoot, no lost project. Here's the honest takeaway. Back up your cards always, but we don't live in a perfect world. Cards get formatted by accident, files corrupt, cameras fail at the worst possible moment. And when that happens, the difference between losing a client's wedding or a once-in-a-lifetime travel shoot and getting it all back can come down to whether you have a tool like this ready. For creators, lost footage isn't just data, it's irreplaceable. Recoverit brings it back. Recoverit is at recoverit.wondershare.com. Link and everything you need is in the description and pinned comment. If this saved you a panic attack or you've ever lost footage you'd give anything to get back, drop a comment and tell me what happened. Subscribe for more real-world tests of the tools that actually protect a creator's work. See you in the next one.